Automation and digitalization plays a huge role in sustainable construction. Once there's the energy consumption, if we are comparing manual construction processes with automated ones, then we can have much less energy consumptions if we are using automation and we are combining it with the right digital tools. And with digitalization at the other side, we can also reduce, and automation of course, we can reduce human errors, and human errors in general are producing rework and producing waste, and that's an important factor for sustainability at the construction site. There are many of best practices that we could name, but let's take out two of them. So one is prefabrication and modular building. So comparing prefabricated parts also with the conventional way of building, we have less energy usage, and usually we have also a more precise and a faster installation at the construction site. And there are several statistics that are showing also that with prefabrication of parts compared to the traditional way, I'm saving also 50 to 60% of energy. Another best practice method or practice is also to measure the CO2 footprint along the construction life cycle. Because we can only improve what we can also measure. Therefore, it's important that we know the negative impact of our buildings during the design phase, construction phase, during the manufacturing, during the usage of our buildings, and at the end, of course, also the dismantling and the disposal of the material.